Hello, thanks for joining me. This is Painting with Ruby. Today I'm going to teach you how to do these evergreens in 60 seconds. So here I have a fan brush loaded with black paint. I'm just going to make them a little friend over here. Now we're going to have a little family. Straight down. Now I'm going to reapply the same black paint. Add a tad bit of paint thinner just so I make sure it glides on here properly. Use the tip of the brush. Go back and forth to each side of the stem. As you go down, maybe to the middle, start applying more pressure. Beautiful. And now I'm going to go into sap green and yellow ochre and again dip it into some of this paint thinner. Give this tree a nice highlight. And same things. Tap it, but this time right above that black paint. And there we have a nice little family of trees. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know what I should paint in 60 seconds next.